On the 14th of April we traveled back to our village again, and we are me, Jurgen, Siemen and Abbey. I mostly take one of our children with me to the village, or in this case two of our children, because they very much enjoy that. The whole traveling is taking very long, not so much because it's a long distance, we're talking about 530 kilometers, but it's more like the time it takes to cover that distance. This time it took us about 17 hours. So for that reason we actually tried to divide the traveling time over 2 separate days. The first day we travel about 13 hours. That's the part you see in this video. And after those 13 hours we usually stop in our favorite stopover place called Maroamboka. Maroamboka is a very touristic place, but we ourselves come there for many years already. We normally sleep there in the hotel called Palmerij. People of this hotel know us very well, but also a lot of people in Maroamboka itself, they do know us, and that makes it a very nice and pleasant place to stay. The goal of this trip was basically to just to get some things fixed up in and around the house, and all these things so that we don't have to worry about it when the different groups of Malagasy students come to our village to do their ministry. And of course, in between all the busyness, I've also managed to get some time to visit our translator Mensa. There I could collect some of the newly translated chapters of the book Genesis in the Antanala language, or rather in the Malagasy language of in the area of the Antanala people.